Hi, I'm Gabi, and this is my bike check. Well, we're gonna start with these purple animal metal bar ends, and we're gonna go on to these nice ass volume grips, onto these shitty ass bars that I got from Ryan. Got Colony oil slick stem, pretty nice. Got Eastern headset, Eastern forks. I have a Colony Pintor oil slick complete wheel with machete tires on front and back. I have the Eastern Green Reaper frame with Eastern cranks and E-clap pedals. We have the Snafu oil slick sprocket and Colony pegs sleeves along with the Daily Grind rear driver hub guard. We have the Shadow penumbra seat, beautiful. We have the KMC chain. And we got the caps. Caps. And that's my bike check.